How to dropship on Ecwid. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dropship on Ecwid. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to ecwid.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And if you don't know this platform, Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create online stores and sell products and services across various digital channels. And aside from that, this platform offers a variety of key features and aspects, including easy integration, mobile-friendly, product management, payment option, and many more. To access this platform, they offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail, and those plans including free plan, venture plan, business, and unlimited plan. And below on each plan, you will see the corresponding prices and the list of features and benefits included on each plan. But in those plans, I'm going to choose to start using the free plan. And to do that, kindly click the button on the top right corner that says Get Started for Free. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. From here, to get started with free account, all you need to do is to fill out your full name, email address, and generate your password. Or alternatively, you can sign up using your Apple ID, Facebook, or even your Google account. And after that, just proceed by clicking Next, Set Up Your Store, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. From here, to start setting up your store, the first thing that you need to do is to enter your online store name. So from here, kindly select this and just enter your store name. And below that, all you need to do is to select a country and your currency. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button below. And for the next step is to add your company address to get paid and set up delivery. So all you need to do is enter your city and your postal code or your zip code. While for the step 3 is to tell a little more about yourself. And to do that, just select your answer to their question. Do you already have experience selling? Followed by what e-commerce platform are you using currently? Followed by the next question, what type of products will you be selling? So I'm going to enter or select office supplies. And for the next question, are you setting up a store for someone else? And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking or checking the boxes below here that indicate that you consent to receive newsletter and you can unsubscribe anytime. And now moving on, for the step 4 is to choose where you'll be running your store. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the next button in here. And after that, you will be directed on the dashboard of Ecwid, in which from here on the dashboard, it will show you on the right side panel the step-by-step process on how to set up your website and storefront and to add your products or services and many more. However, I'm just going to focus on dropshipping in here. So on the left side panel, just go to apps. By clicking on apps, all you need to do is to go to the search bar and kindly enter dropshipping. And on the result below, just enter SAP dropshipping. And by clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. From here, just click install. And after installing the SAP dropshipping, proceed by clicking open up and you will be directed in this page. And this is what the dashboard looks like on SAP dropshipping. And under the dashboard, you will see the statistics, including your orders monthly and your total sales or even the total revenue. And from here, on the left side panel, kindly proceed by clicking Find Product, in which you have different kind of options such as sourcing, find better price, sourcing result, and imported products. And those are the options that you can navigate to find product to dropship. And in those options, I'm going to choose the sourcing option, since for me, that is the easiest way to find product using only a picture. So kindly click the sourcing option. And from here, we can copy an image from AliExpress for the products that we want to dropship. And let's say I'm going to choose this t-shirt. So kindly click on it and you will be directed on this next page. From here, it will show you the details, including the preview picture, the description, and even the variation and corresponding prices. And all we need to do is to copy or save this preview image on AliExpress and import it on this platform. Make sure that the image is PNG or JPG file type so that you can successfully upload in here. And after importing the image, if we scroll down below here, it will show us some of the recommend or almost the same product in here which contain different prices. So you can select any of those products which is also similar in this AliExpress platform. And as you can see, the price in AliExpress is $6.88, but from here we can find more expensive or more cheaper products which is also similar. As you can see, the price of it is $7.24, while on AliExpress is only $6.88. So that means we can have a profit if we dropship this. Kindly proceed by clicking Import and Confirm button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that the products will now be added to your imported products. So if you go to Imported Products on the left side panel, below here it will show you the t-shirt product that we just imported recently. And kindly proceed by clicking List It to Store. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, it will show you how to price product with a step-by-step guide. To do that, just go back in this page, and below here, it will show you how to list to store. And as you can see, the limits is 500 lists that will be shipped from China warehouse, in which below you could also see the variants of your products that you list. And as you can see below here, each variant contains a price of $7.24 with a shipping fee of $6.79 US. And all we need to do is to enter the store price or the total amount that the customer will pay if they try to buy our product. Make sure that the store price is more than the sum of price and shipping fee so that we can have a profit of it. So let's say I'm going to enter the store price of $20 so that if the customer try to buy this product, we will get the profit of $5.97 US for each item that has been bought by the buyer using our dropshipping. So below here, just enter all of those store price, which is all the same, of $20. And after that, just proceed by checking the boxes, agree to the terms and condition, and proceed by clicking List It Now button. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, it will show you that your listed has now been successfully listed in your store. So now that we are done listing the specific product in our store, the next thing that we need to do is to go back to ecwid.com in our dashboard. And from here on the dashboard of Ecwid, all you need to do is to go to the left side panel and proceed by clicking the catalog and the products, in which upon clicking on products, it will show you on the right side panel the list of products that you have listed in our SAP dropshipping. And if you want to edit the details of this product, kindly proceed by clicking this button that says Edit Product. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the description or title on the top panel, the variations below, the description, the corresponding prices, the product availability, and other details about this product that you can also edit. So that is just how to dropship on Ecwid. Thank you.